Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yasir. Today I will solve some questions from past papers of IGCSE. So I have already bring the question on the board. The question is, write the number 30,015 figures. So I will start answering this question. So I will start from the way of counting how many digits will be there in 30,050. So unit, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. Because 30 is you can say it's more than 10,000. So there will be five digits. So it's 30,000, and because it's 50 only, so last two digits would be 50. So this would be the figure 30,050. Now I bring the next question. The next question is that uh, it's right 5926 correct to nearest 10. So it's 5926. So nearest 10 means that these two, the last two digits. So because these two, this is the 26. So because this is the 26, so 26 you can it's less than 26. A number which is less than 26 is 20. A number, the exact number, uh, greater than 26 would be 30. So one number is 20, other number is 30. So now I will check. So 26 is near to what? 26 is near to 20 or 26 is near to 30? So because 26 is near to 30, so I will shift this number to next number 30. So next number means that you can say it's a counting of tens. It's a difference of 10. So first number, first would be 10 and then 20, 30, 40, 50. So you will see that the last two number are nearest to which number? The either 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So if it is near to 30, so it will be shifted to 30. If it is near to 20, so it will be switched to 20. If the number is suppose that if the number is 24, then it would be replaced with 20, because then in that case the number would be near to 20. So that in that case the it should be replaced with 20 instead of 30. Now I bring the third question is the just finding the midpoint. The question is mark the midpoint, just marking the midpoint of the line. It's a line segment, it's a part of line. Right? So line is starting from S and ending at T, so it's a straight line. So just to mark the midpoint. So approximately here in that would be the middle point. So it was just marking. So I move on to the next question. And the question is the shade 2 by 9 of this shape. So you can see that how many squares are there in this shape. How many, so that can be counted. The squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on this side. And what about this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on this side. 6 times 6 would be 6 times 6 is 36. So there are total 36 square in this figure. So because here, but it says 2 over 9. So I will see the denominator. So 36 divided by 9. So what is 36 divided by 9? Is 4. Because total squares are 36. And here the denominator is 9. So 36 divided by 9 would be 4. So it means that if I multiply 4 with the numerator and 4 with the denominator, so I will get this 36 in the denominator. 36 in the denominator, and in the numerator it's 8. So if it is 2 out of 9, then it would be 8 out of 36. Because total squares are 36, then I will shade 8 portion out of these 36 squares. So 8 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be shaded. So these 8 squares would be shaded. So that represent 8 over 36 or 2 by 9. Both have the same. Either it would be 2 by 9 or it would be a 8 over 36. Both have the similar same meaning. So now the next question is that next question is write 2 by 9 as a percentage. So percentage out of 100. If it is because it is a fraction is it is a fraction 2 by 9. So in from 100 how much it would be. So I will just multiply with 100. If I multiply with 100, so it would be 200, 100 times 2, because if this is the fraction and this is the number. To multiply these kind of things, you can what you can do, you can write 1 in the denominator, because nothing here, because this was not the fraction, but now it becomes a fraction. Now you can multiply a fraction with fraction. The rule to multiply fraction with fraction is that you multiply the numerator with the numerator and you multiply the denominator with denominator. So 2 would be multiplied with 100, so that will give 200, and 9 will be multiplied with 1, so it would be 9. So it's, and I also write the percentage sign here as well. So it's 200 over 9, and 200 over 9 would be, so that's the answer would be the in some decimal form. So the answer I use calculator. It would be 20, 200 divided by that. So it's 22.22 approximately. 22.2. 22.2. It's 22. 22.2 to up to percent in percentage. The next question is that, or that's related to the time. So it says that a night bus runs from 21:50 to 5:18 the next day. So 21:50 is the time, is actually a 9:50 p.m. It's 9:50 p.m. or it's I can write p.m. with that. If I don't write p.m., so I can write it as 21:50. either this way to express or in this way. So 2150, there is no need to write AM and PM with that. So that automatically will be considered as PM. So the other time is 518. 518. So now first I will see uh, how much the time from 9:50 to 12 o'clock. 9:50 to 12 o'clock. If I add 10 in 50, if I 10 in 50, I would get 10 o'clock. So 10, 11, 12. So 2 hour, 10 minutes. 2 hour and 10 minutes. If I add 2 hour, 10 minutes in 9:50, I would get 12 o'clock. So 2 hour and 10 minutes. And here after 12 o'clock, the time is 5:18. 5:18. So from 9:50 to 12 o'clock, so there will be a 2 hour and 10 minutes to go. And then 12 to 5:18, there are 5 hour and 18 minutes. So if I add these two numbers, 5 hour 18 minutes and 2 hour and 10 minutes. If I add these two time, so what I would get? So 18 plus 10 would be 28 and 5 plus 2 would be 7. So it's 7 hour 28 minutes. 7 hour and 28 minutes. So that would be the answer. Next question, I think that's related to that's a multiple of 11. So here in this question, from this list of numbers, write down all the multiples of 11. So multiple of 11s are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. So these all are the multiple of 11. So here, if from less than 100, if both digits are same, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. If both digits are same, then that would be the number which will be multiple of 11. So here 55 is a multiple of 11 and the next number would be 121. So you can use a calculator and you can do 121 divided by 11. If you find an exact number without decimal, so it means that that number is a multiple of 11. 121 divided by 11. 121, 121 divided by 11. So that's 11. So if you multiply 11 with 11, you will get 121. So it means that if you do the division 121 divided by 11 and you get the exact number, the integer without decimal, so it means that uh, that number would be a multiple of 11. So here two numbers are multiple of 11. One is 55, other is 121. Its B part would be Zaid has a non-calculator method for working out if a number is a multiple of 11. He shows his method for the number 9191281. Subtract and add alternately the digits in the number. So this is the way. The first number comes first, then the minus sign. It was a positive sign here, and then it would be a negative sign. And then the next digit is 1. So 1 here, then the plus sign, and then the next digit would be 9, and then negative sign. So alternating signs. So plus, minus in this way. And then this answer was obtained, which was 22, and then it was check if it is a multiple of 11 or So here, the same method will be applied here. So 9 is a positive, 9 is positive, 9, and then -1, and then +8, and then -2, and then +7, and then -1, and then +9, something. So that was the question. So here I write 9 -1 +8, and then -2 +7, and then -1 +9 -3 and +7. So the adding or subtracting these numbers, the way can be, uh, you can use this way. You can just add the positive number, the number which are all are positive. 9 +8 +7 +9 +3, and then you subtract, and then you add the negative number. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So in this way you can get the answer. So first, if I, or you can, if you have a calculator, you just use calculator and then Get the answer. 9 minus plus 8, and then minus 2, then plus 7, minus 1. This can be done without using a calculator. So it's 33. Now 33, you can see it's a multiple of 11. So if you multiply 3 with 11, you get 33. Because 33 is a multiple of 11, it means that the whole number is a multiple of 11. Now the next question is that the range of 8 number is 31. These are 7 of the numbers. So the range of 8 number is given, but the 8th number is not given. The range of 8, what is range? Range is the largest value minus the smallest value. So that is called range. So the range is given. The range is 31 is given, but the 8th number, the 1 number is missing. The 7 numbers are given, and the 1 number is missing. So the answer is the question is to find that missing number. Find the two possible values of the 8th number. So there are two possible values of the 8th number. So I will choose the largest and smallest number from all these numbers. The largest number is 42. So 42 is the largest number. And uh, what would be the, so if I subtract 31, if if I subtract 31, so it would be 11. So 11 would be, if the 42 is the largest number, then 11 would, one of the possibilities that the number would be 11. Because when you subtract these two numbers, when you subtract the largest number and the smallest number, you will get the range as 31. So one possibility of the eighth number is 11. So because if the number is 11, then from these 8 number, the range would become 31. Now I choose the other number. Suppose that if, what is the smallest number from all these? So 16 is the smallest number. If I add 31 in 16, so that would be a 47. So if the number is not 11, if it is 47, then the range would remain 31. Because if the eighth number is 47, so 47 minus 16, then 47 would be the largest number and 16 would be the smallest number. So range will be calculated as the largest number minus the smallest number. So 47 minus 16. 47 minus 16 would be 31 again. So the range would remain 31. So either the number can be 11 or it can be a 47. So these two can be the possibilities for the answer of this question. The next question, I think this question can be answered using a calculator. So calculator can be used to answer this question. So here, this number, it's a square root of 5, square root of 5.76 and 2.8 cube. The square root of 5.76 was can be written as 576 over 100 whole square root, and then it's 2.8, 2.8 cube. 2.8 cube can be written as 2.8 times 2.8. So it can. So this can be written as 576 over square root of 100. And this number can be written the same as it is. Even this can also be written into 28 over 10 form. So 576 is a square root, its square root is 24 and square root of 100 would be 10. So 24 over 10 would be 2.4 or 2.4. So it's 2.4 plus 2.8 cube. So 2.8 cube would be, it's 21.952. 21.95. And now if you add these two numbers, 21.952 and 2.4, so it's 24.3. 24 point. The next question is simplify. So that's simple of algebraic expression. No, it's a 4m and minus m. So the coefficient of those terms can be added, which have the same letter or letters. Here the letter is m, here the letter is m. So both are same. So their coefficient can be added or subtracted. So 4m minus m. 4m minus m would be 3m and plus 7k and plus 3k. So both are k. So this is k and this is k. So the coefficients can be added. So the coefficient of one term is plus 7. The coefficient of other term is positive 3. So 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 would be 10. So it's 10k. So it's 3m plus 10k. The next question is, it's a from this list of numbers, find the highest number possible from the product of two of the numbers. So highest number from the from the product of two numbers. So because there are some positive number, there are some negative number. So obviously the highest number would be the positive number. So that would be the positive number. So because if you multiply minus 9 and minus 7, so that would be a positive 63. And if you multiply 6 and 8, so it would be a 48. So highest number would be 63 or 48. That's 63. So highest possible number would be 63 because if you multiply these two, minus 9 and minus 7, you will get the largest number. So, and you can consider all the numbers here because these were two, the extreme number on the negative side and extreme number on the positive side. So you can check any other number. So the largest would be the 61. Then the next question is that it's the part B. Part B of this question is, part B of this question, the lowest number possible from the product of three of the numbers. No, you choose three numbers. The product should be lowest. So uh, lowest number, the negative number, the lowest number possible from the product of three of the numbers. So it would be a negative number. So if one number is -9, other is -7, then if I multiply one number can be a negative, one would be a negative, other two would be a positive. If I multiply 48, 48 with -9, if I multiply 48 with -9 or just 9, it would be a 432. So that would be a negative possibility, 432. So 48, 48 is the product of 6 and 8, and then the negative number, the smallest number in all these numbers, smallest negative, and also it is the smallest number. The smallest number is -9. So 48 times -9 would be -432. So -432, so that would be the answer for this question. Even you can consider all other product as well. So that this would be the smallest. You can consider all other as well. The next question would be this. The stem and leaf diagram. The stem and leaf diagram. The key is also available in stem and leaf diagram. So Sarah records the number of people who play golf on each of 14 days. So complete the stem and leaf diagram. So stem and leaf diagram is that way because here the number is 28. So from this number 28, these two is here and that 8 would be here. So that is stem. No, the next number is, I think there is no digit that starts with whose 10th, this 10th digit would be 3. So nothing will be here in this row. And then in the fourth row, it is 46. So 4 is already there and 6 would be here. And then it's 54. So 4. And then it's 71. So 1 here, 7 is there and 1 is here. And then 7, 0. And then 6, 5. In the stem and leaf, you can arrange the numbers. You can arrange the numbers. So here the smallest number would be 28, and then the next is 46, 46, and then the next would be 49, and then 50, and then no, there is a number also 45 here. So 45 is here. 28, 45, 46, 49, 50. So 28, 45, 46, 49, 50. And then after 50, the number is 54, 54. And then the number is um, 64, 64. And then so I have sorry. Hmm. So I was reviewing numbers in ascending order. The first was 28, and then it was 45. The next number was 46, and then um, 46, it's 49, and then so 50, then it's 54, and then after 54, it is 64 and 65, 64 and 65, then 68, 68, 70, 70, 71, and 72. So 28, so 2 is already here and 8 would be there. And then there is no digit whose 10th digit is 3. And then 45. So it's 45 here. 4 is there and 5 is here. And then 46. And then, oh, what is it? After 46, this number should be 49. 49. And then 50, 54. And then 64, 65, 68, 70, 71, 72. So you can count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there should be 14 numbers. Two numbers are missing. These are 12. So there's two. Oh, 77 is another number. Let's see. 77 here. 70, 71, 72, 70, 71, 72, and then 77. So no, these are 13 numbers. They should be that. Mm, 50. These are the 14 numbers. Now the next part. Next part is find the median. So how to find the median for this question? The median would be, so median of these numbers would be how many numbers? 14 number. So median is the middle number. If there are even numbers, so median would be the average of two middle numbers. So you can say there are 14 numbers. So 7 on one side and 7 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and then 7 here. So the middle two number would be 58 and the other number would be 64. So these are the two middle number. The one is 58, other is 64. So median would be the average of these two. You add the two number and then divide it by 2. So 58 plus 64. 58 plus 64 is 120. 120 divided by 2, it's 61. So median would be 61. So you arrange the number from smallest to largest, and then you find the middle number. So if the numbers are even number, then middle number would be the two numbers. If the total numbers are odd numbers, then the middle would be the one number. Then there will be no need to find the average of two numbers. So for the even case, because here the numbers are 14, these total numbers are 14. So the middle would be the two numbers. The one number is 58, other is 64. So the average of these two numbers is 61. So 61 is the median. So for today, I think I end the class uh, at, at this question. So I will try to continue and start solving the question in the next video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.